Choice among a number of strategies is not the decision of the player but by some chance mechanism. That is, predetermined probability are used for deciding the course of actions. In a game, if the player uses more than one strategy, that becomes mixed strategy game. So, for solving mixed strategy problems, there are mainly used two methods, probability method and graphical method. Probability method is otherwise known as equal gain method. First we can discuss what is probability method. This method applied when there is no saddle point and the payoff matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. The probability method is applied to only if the payoff matrix having only 2 rows and 2 columns. If it having more than 2 rows and column, we need to reduce it into 2 rows and 2 columns using dominance property. Okay. And also the probability method is applied when there is no saddle point in the game. If there is saddle point, the value of the game is easily determined. If the saddle point does not exist, we are usually using probability method. So, we are going to solve this problem using probability method. First, we need to check whether the problem having saddle point or not. I am going to write the question downwards. 9, 7, 5, 11, here B, here A. So, row minimum 7, 5. Among the minimum, we need to choose the maximum, that is the maximin value. Then column maximum 9, 11. Among the maximum, we need to choose the minimum. This is the minimax value. So, since maximin value not equal to minimax value, the game doesn't have a saddle point. The game doesn't have a saddle point. Now we are going for finding value of the game using probability method. For that, I am once again writing the payoff table here. Once again writing the payoff table here. 9, 7 and 5, 11. 9, 7 and 5, 11. Player B, player A. Now, I am going to find out a set of values known as oddments. Oddments. Oddments in the row and oddments in the column. Oddments in the row is usually find out using this method. For the first row, we need to write the difference in the values of row 2. Oddment of first row means the difference between the values in the second row. Then oddments of row 2 is the difference between the values of first row. So, what is the difference between the values of second row? 5 and 11. Difference is 6. So, oddment of first row is 6. It is obtained 11 minus 5. We are taking only the numerical difference, not sign is considered. Okay. So, always subtract smallest value from highest value. So, oddment of row 2 is the difference between the values of the first row, that is 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7. Similarly, find the oddments of the column. oddments of the column. Like row, here in column also we need to write the difference of opposite column in the column values. So for column 1 we need to write the difference of column 2. 11 minus 7, 4. That is 11 minus 7. For column 2 we need to write the difference of column 1. 9 minus 5, that is also 4. 9 minus 5. So first we need to write the oddments. Oddments usually it's a difference of opposite row or column. In row we need to, if oddment of first row means a difference between the elements in the second row. Oddment of second row means a difference between elements in the first row. Similarly for column oddments, the oddment of first column means difference between the elements in the second column. Oddment of second column is the difference between the elements of first column. Okay. So we are writing the oddments here. Now, next we are going to find out the probability. I am separating it like drawing line like this. Now we are going to find out the probability. Probability. Like oddments, we need to find the row probability and column probability. For finding the row probability, what is the oddment of first row? 6. So, probability of first strategy. Here it use 2 strategy, we also uses 2 strategy. Probability of first strategy is oddment of first row, that is 6, divided by total oddment. 6 plus 2, 8. That is 6 by 8. Then probability of second strategy, that is 2 divided by 6 plus 2, that is 2 by 8. This 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Similarly for column probability, oddment of first column 4 divided by 4 plus 4. For second strategy also 4 divided by 4 plus 4, that is 4 by 8 and 4 by 8. These are the probabilities. Now we are going to find out the value of the game using these oddments itself. Okay. I am using the second column. 7 into 6 plus 11 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Value of the game B is equal to 7 into 6 plus this 11 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Okay, that is 7 into 6, 42 plus 22 divided by 8. 42 plus 22 is 64 divided by 8, that is value of the game is equal to 8. This is one method. Now the second method, instead of using the second column, I am going to use the first column. That is V is equal to 9 into 6 plus 5 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. 9 into 6 plus 5 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Solve it. 56 54 plus 10 divided by 8, that is again 64 divided by 8, that is 8. Then instead of using column, I am going to use the row. If I am going to use the row, I need to use the column oddments. If I am taking the column, I need to use the row oddments. Okay. So third method is, or third equation is, I am using the first row. 9 into 4 plus 7 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. 9 into 4 plus 7 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, that is 28 So 36 plus 28 divided by 8. 36 plus 28 divided by 8. It is again 64 by 8, that is 8. Then if I am using second row, b is equal to 5 into 4 plus 11 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. By solving it, it will again 8. So the value of the game is 8. And the strategy, these are the probability are the strategies. These are the strategies of A, 6 by 8 and 2 by 8. Strategies of B are 4 by 8 and 4 by 8. So strategy A, 6 by 8 and 2 by 8. 6 by 8, comma 2 by 8. Strategy of B, 4 by 8, 4 by 8. 4 by 8, comma 4 by 8. Since the value is positive, A wins the game. We can look at one more problem for solving mixed strategy game using probability method. This is a game. I am writing it down 3, 5, 4, 1 and check for saddle point. Row minimum 3, 1. Among the minimum maximum is, this is the maximum value. Then column max 4, 5. Among the maximum, this is the minimax value. Since maximum value not equal to minimax value, the game doesn't have a saddle point. The game doesn't have a saddle point. Now we are going to solve this using probability method. Three, 5, 4, 1. Next we need to find the oddments. First I am going to find out the row oddments. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Then column oddments. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. Once again I will write 4 minus 1. This difference need to write here. 4 minus 1, this is 5 minus 3. This is 5 minus 1, this is 4 minus 3. Now we get the oddments. Next we need to find out the probability. Probability. How will you find the probability? 4 divided by 4 plus 1, 5. 4 divided by 5. Here 1 divided by 5. Here 3 divided by 3 plus 2. That is 3 by 5. Here 2 by 5. Now value of the game, we need to use any one equation. Okay, b equal to, I am taking the second column and row oddment. 5 into 3 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2. That is 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 divided by 5. Value of the game is 17 by 5. Next we need to find out the strategy. A strategy means this is optimizing player and B is the minimizing player. A strategy is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 3 by 5 comma 2 by 5. Then strategy of B is, what is the probability of 4 by 5, 1 by 5. 4 by 5, 1 by 5. Since the value of the game is positive, A wins the game. A wins the game. Thank you.